This is how to make my breakfast special. Start with whole grain English muffins, some Tillamook cheese, some Swiss cheese. I'm gonna put that on top of the English muffins and broil it so the cheese gets melty. Some Jimmy Dean sausage patties, really easy to make, just put it in the oven. And then you're gonna butter your pan to fry up some ham. I use normal deli ham for this recipe. You just cook it a couple minutes on each side till it gets brown and yummy like this. After it is cooked to your liking, set it aside with your sausage. Now you're gonna cook some eggs. This is my heart egg mold. Add a little bit of water to the pan, cover it, cook 2 to 3 minutes. Once your cheese is melty, it's gonna look like that. Also, gotta hit it with some Duke's mayonnaise. You're gonna top the Duke's with some ham. Here is my egg made with love, trying to wrestle that out of the pan. I'm gonna put that next and then top it with some salt and pepper, of course. Y'all gotta season your food or TikTok will come for you. That was a little bit extra pepper. Anyway, we're gonna add a sausage and some avocado. This breakfast sandwich is obviously a little bit special like me, but it was delicious. Definitely had to eat it with a napkin because it was messy, but super yummy. Please like and follow for more. Have a great day.